Hey there, teachers. I'm so glad you're here. Today, I'm sharing a quick look at how I'm using AI in my classroom and especially how tools like ChatGPT can totally change the game for curriculum mapping and lesson planning. As teachers, we're always searching for ways to save time, bring our ideas to life, and feel confident teaching, even when something new lands on our plate. AI has become such a powerful tool for me in making that happen. I'm Allison from That Tech Savvy Teacher. I used to teach second grade and now I teach K through 5 technology. That's a pretty big switch, and it showed me how important it is to feel prepared and creative, even when you're suddenly teaching something brand new. That's why I'm such a fan of using AI tools like ChatGPT to help me plan my curriculum and my lessons. It's incredible for helping me shape my own ideas or for giving me completely new ones, so I'm never left feeling stuck or worried about how to tackle a new topic. So, how do I actually use AI for lesson planning? Let me walk you through my process. First, I gather all my inputs, things like the subject I'm teaching, the grade level, how often I see my students, my favorite tools, and any lesson ideas I already have floating around. And if I have my state standards saved as a document or PDF, I'll upload those too so the AI knows exactly what's expected for my grade level. That way, I'm sure the lessons are truly aligned to what my students need. Next, and this is a big one, I write a detailed prompt. This isn't just tossing out a quick question. This is where you guide the AI to give you exactly what you're looking for. I don't just say, make a lesson plan. Instead, I'm super specific. For example, I might say, I teach fourth grade technology. Each class is 50 minutes long. Create a 10-week plan with weekly topics, learning goals, activities, and assessments, and put it in a table format. The more details you give it, the better the output you'll get back. And finally, I always refine the results. This is definitely an interactive process, so don't expect magic on the first try. If I don't love the first answer, that's completely okay. I keep tweaking my prompt, asking follow up questions, or even wiping the whole thing and starting over from scratch. And after I built my big picture curriculum map, I'll often go back into ChatGPT and have it help me create individual lesson plans or brainstorm engaging activities, projects, and creative ways to teach the concepts. That's honestly where some of my best ideas have come from, fun lessons or projects that I know my students will absolutely love. I've even used AI to help build complex spreadsheets. The first year, it might have taken me hours of searching and testing formulas. The next year, with AI's help, I knocked it out in minutes. It has been a huge time saver. While ChatGPT is amazing, I should mention that there are also some fantastic AI tools that are specifically designed for educators. Tools like Magic School, CurryPod, School AI, and so many others offer specialized features for lesson planning, creating activities, generating assessments, and more. It's always worth exploring what's out there to see what fits your style best. Even if Chat is not your first choice, don't worry. There's a whole world of educator focused AI tools waiting to help you work smarter and not harder. So here's a super quick 3-step guide to get you started with the AI lesson planning. Step 1, gather your ideas and standards. Know what you want to teach and any requirements you need to meet. Step 2, write a clear, specific prompt. Tell the AI exactly what you're looking for, including the format you'd like it in, like a table or outline. Refine the output until it truly fits your classroom. And don't stop there. Once you got your curriculum map, you can keep working with AI to plan out specific lessons, come up with unique project ideas, and make your units even more exciting. Don't be afraid to experiment, adjust your prompts, and keep collaborating with the AI until you have plans you're genuinely excited to teach. So there you have it, a quick look at how AI can become your new best friend when it comes to curriculum mapping and lesson planning. Remember, AI is not here to replace teachers. It's here to help us feel creative, confident, and ready for anything that comes our way. You deserve to have tools that support your creativity and save you time so you can focus on what matters most, your students, and the incredible work you do every day. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know in the comments if you tried using AI for lesson planning yet, or if there's a tool you're curious about. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. And if you'd like more tips, ideas, and free resources, make sure to follow me here and check out the link in the description to join my newsletter. I'd love to stay connected and help you work smarter, not harder.